Hey YouTube fam again. We're back at it. Back. Okay, that was too much. Anyways, we're not gonna cut that, but I'm still Cinnabon. Again, my husband, Chris. And we're gonna have a little special feature. Like this, we have a little guest. We have a guest. When I say little, oh, you can hear her a little bit. I don't think she wants us to record. She's over to the side here, but you know, me being spiritual and you know, all those types of stuff, I don't really want her out here yet, but I will be putting her on my page. I'm sorry, on my channel. And I'm sorry, baby. She gets her shine soon. She'll get her shine soon. Because today, we are going to be pretty much filming. Oh no, I can't let her try it. Okay, so today we're going to be filming pretty much, you know, what do you call this, Chris?
Deluxe clay keepsake kit.
Yay, keepsake kit.
So make a print.
Yeah, you see that. Hand and footprint. And so this was going to be a Christmas edition. Yay, Merry Christmas, right? Okay, so I read the directions just a tiny bit. Let me turn down the music. I read the directions just a little bit. And you say you think it's gonna go pretty fast?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna actually try to time ourselves again. If you watched the last video, we tried doing the gingerbread house contest, and we was originally gonna do 20 minutes. That extended to 30, but this time we're not extending. We're not putting this off or anything. We're gonna do it within 7 minutes. Why 7 minutes? Because, oh no. We're gonna cut that or, you know.
So good.
So 7 minutes because our baby was born on the 7th. And I'm corny like that. I like things that are cute like that. Just cute. So, what happened? 7 minutes is pretty fast. But you said that it would go, you said you think it would go fast, so, you know. So, okay, we have all of our kits here, the directions. You handle that. I got, yeah, so we could put her name on it. And then we have some foil to put the clay on, and also some water just in case, you know, we mess up. Oh, okay. Okay. So I just actually lay out the foil, and so what? Do I start the timer when we get all the stuff, all the supplies out? Okay, we got this. Got a roller. Oh, that's so cute. It's like a baby roller. Aww. Put myself some more.
That's to make the holes.
Aww. Yeah.
You wanna knead it?
You want to do it together? I don't know how we could do it.
Oh, there's some plastic.
Ooh, is it really wet? What does it feel like?
Soft.
Rubbery? And we're only doing one? We're not doing both? Okay, we're gonna say...
one.
Okay, so pretty much we're gonna do just one, even though it came with two. We're gonna save the second one for next year. Oh, baby.
Smell that good.
It doesn't smell good? What does it smell like?
It's vinegar and rubber.
I hate vinegar. Oh my goodness. There's Rose over there. Okay. So what can I do to help? So I didn't. You already started. I didn't put the timer on.
So sorry.
Guys. Okay, I gotta put the timer on. You was just ready. He's about it, guys. He's about it. So 7 minutes. Timer's on. While you go kneel. You know, when you prepare that. Oh, I got it so cute. I think she wants to make an appearance, Chris. Oh! She might be hungry. Yeah, I should pause it. We're gonna take a short break to feed baby. Be back. Backity back. I gotta stop saying that. It's so corny. But you gotta feed baby Rose.
Baby Rose?
I should show her to the people. Show her to
Smile.
the people. Show her. Do you want to see the people? Do you think they should see you? Do you think they should see you? Okay. Here's baby Rose. Take it in. Isn't she so cute? Look at her baby. Okay. We're gonna feed you now. When she gets hungry, she gets hangry. That's all babies though. So timer, whew, about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. How you doing over there? How's it going?
That's when it starts.
Huh? Oh, you're ready. I left the baby bottle on the thing. Hi, Rose. So, baby Rose is 4 months, and she's about to be 5 months, and just a little bit over a week. Because I told you guys she was born on the 7th, so yeah. Actually, yeah, because or maybe 2 weeks. Oh, I can't do math right now. Mommy brain, you know, mommy brain. All the moms out there, when you have your newborns, don't you just love staring in their eyes? Am I in your way, Chris? I could move over. Are you ready to do your footprint, baby? Maybe? Mm-hmm.
He's my miracle child. So how does your miracle child get cancer?
What actually has been your favorite moment
How does it happen?
since having Rose? I put you on the spot.
And then smile.
That's a good one. Daddy's so sweet. He said his favorite part is seeing your smile. That's a really hard question, honestly, and you just answered like mad fast. I don't know what my answer is. My favorite part since having baby Rose is everything. I really agree with your smile, but also the staring in her eyes. I love staring in her eyes. I like feeding her.
What was important to me was knowing
There's a
that
lot.
that we did would help.
It's just a whole experience. You know, you have to be parents to really understand. This is
We never got
pretty remarkable that we made our own little human. Oh, Chris, you got a minute and 11 seconds.
You got a foot ready?
Yeah, I got her foot ready. Let's see how Rose does with this. You ready, Rose? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready? She's like, what is Mama saying?
A little sticky now?
I think so.
Right, so you can put a foot here
Arts
and
and
a hand
crafts
here.
here. Okay. Are you ready, baby? Uh-oh.
Yeah,
So how are we
put that
supposed to
foot
do
in.
it? Okay. Let's take your robe off. Let's take the robe off, baby.
big.
Okay. Oh no, 18 seconds.
Maybe we'll just do 2 feet. Or 1 feet.
1 foot. On the left, right there. Got her little footprints. Oh! So we got a footprint within the 7 minutes. Oh,
she scooped up.
it's okay. We got this. The timer stopped. Let's push it in one more time. Chris. Oh no!
You don't have to do anything.
We gotta do it again?
Yeah, it came out with
7 minutes is not enough for this, guys. Now you know. Now you know. And I don't think there was enough space to put a foot and a hand there.
I don't know how they made it. They didn't fit it. Just looking at the newborn.
Not babies, 4 months. So, some milestones that baby Rose has accomplished is that she sits up. You see? Sitting up with little assistance. And she loves to kick. She loves kicking. And you know, I honestly feel like she might even skip crawling and just go straight to walking. And then walking into running because baby, where are you going? You're just kicking and going. Look at that. You see that, guys? And some other milestones. What about you, Daddy? What are some milestones you see her doing?
Laughing, trying to talk.
Oh yeah, she likes to talk a lot, babble. She got her baby touch. And she smiles a lot. She everything is good. She also recently got her shots and she cried a little bit, but you know, she's a trooper. She's got this, right, y'all? She's just like a rose. Beautiful, but very strong. Because you know those thorns, they'll get you. So, one more attempt. You know, guys, we're gonna be the couple that has the time thingies, but gotta extend it a little bit. So we're just gonna extend it like 4 more minutes, and I think we have 2.5 minutes left now of trying to get baby Rose's print. How you doing, baby? How you doing? Okay, guys. One more time. Are you ready, Rose?
Your foot. Which one? Left or right?
Maybe the left foot this time.
Just looking around.
Which way are you putting it? In the middle?
Yeah, if she straightens her foot out.
You want to hold her and I do it this time, actually? Here we go.
Just like it.
Wait. Oh, Rose. Oh, okay. It's harder than I thought. Rose.
She's moving her foot.
Okay, how about this one? So close. You got it. Rose, don't do it. Don't fuck you up, baby. Don't do it. Oh, we did it. It's good, right?
Yeah, it came out better.
Yay, baby. You know, you think her hand? No, it can't fit in there. We did it. Good job, Rose. Good job. It's almost her bedtime too, guys, so she's doing like so good. It looks good. Okay, Rose, are you ready to have your bridal? Big milestone. So even though she was doing this when we first brought her out the hospital and she was a newborn, she was trying to hold her bottle and her passy. And now at 4 months, guys, okay, she wants her food. I told you she'd get hungry. Right, baby? She said, yeah, give me my food. But she holds her own bottle now, guys. 4 months and she holds her bottle.
Wait. Put her hand on this one.
What? You want me to take it back out?
If you want. You want to try to make her hand?
You want to try, Rose? She wants to eat. Okay. Let's try one more.
Keeping it open.
She wants to eat. She said, I got hands for gripping bottles. There you go. So guys, we did it. Are we able to lift it to show? Don't fall. Can you see? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna fall. Can you see? Can you see? Oh, our little rose. They're gonna put letters in it and everything. And then it says to leave it out for 2 to 3 days and it'll be all dry and we can put glaze on it and everything. So I'm so excited, especially when she turns 1 and we can do her next one and for her to look back on this. Thank you guys for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Baby Rose said, That means thanks for watching and bye guys.